Hi, we're back on this Lenovo, and it's a Yoga 510, and this Lenovo has a button which is FN F2 to get into, and FN F10 is also an interesting one to get in the boot menu. Now, if you don't find this boot key, if you're not fast enough, and the computer is faster than pressing, then you can go to this one. I'm gonna go to Windows Updates, I think it is, and then we need to go to System Recovery. It is in English. I will post it's just recovery in English. I will post images in English, and if you say now restart, and it's gonna take like forever. I've just done the test. And that's also a way to get in this UEFI or BIOS or setup. It's anyway a part of your hardware or motherboard. That's the place we want to be, to tell them, hey, you have to activate a Intel virtualization technology things for VirtualBox, and secure boot maybe needs to be changed maybe for your system as well. Like I said, it's taking forever, so I'm gonna pausing here. And then we end up in this screen. So the first one is like continue. This one is like use device. That one is like troubleshoot. Another one up there is turn off your PC. We need to troubleshoot, so this one. Then we need refresh your PCs in English, and advanced options. We need to go to the advanced options, and then finally we see something that we can recognize. So settings for the UEFI firmware, and if you want to change that, you have to press here and say go again, reboot, and then wait again. And then indeed you are in this setup utility that we call BIOS or UEFI. It's for both, of course. It's a setup to change things like our Intel virtualization, which was here, and so on. So that's an alternative way to get in your system if you don't know the keyboard shortcut, but it's way longer. It takes like minutes to get here. All right, cheers.